Mastering kitchen vocabulary. Sear on high heat, explained. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's common in cooking: sear on high heat. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also improve your culinary conversations. So, let's get started. Searing is a cooking technique used in many kitchens. It involves cooking the surface of food, usually meat, at a high temperature until a brown crust forms. The term sear here means to burn or scorch the surface of the food with sudden, intense heat. When we say on high heat, it refers to setting the stove or cooking appliance to its highest temperature setting. This method adds flavor and texture to the food, making it more appealing and delicious. Searing is not just about making food look good. It's a crucial step in developing flavors. When you sear meat, it undergoes a chemical reaction known as the Maillard reaction. This reaction creates a rich, complex flavor and a desirable brown color. It's a technique cherished by chefs worldwide to enhance the taste and presentation of dishes. 1. Preheat the pan. Always start with a hot pan. Preheating ensures that the food starts searing as soon as it hits the surface. 2. Avoid overcrowding. Cook in batches if necessary. Overcrowding can lower the pan's temperature, leading to steaming instead of searing. 3. Use the right oil. Choose an oil with a high smoke point, like canola or vegetable oil, to withstand high temperatures without burning. 4. Don't move the food too soon. Allow the food to sear undisturbed for a few minutes to develop a good crust. I hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase, sear on high heat, and its significance in cooking. It's a simple yet powerful technique that transforms ordinary ingredients into extraordinary dishes. Happy cooking, and see you in our next video.